Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a product review on a teeth whitening product. So I got teeth whitening product from Priceline. It's the White Glo Accelerator. Got it for about $18 from Priceline, which is cheaper than like half price compared to at Woolworths, so go to Priceline. No, this is not a sponsored video. I just thought, you know, our teeth are looking a bit yellowy and why not try to whiten it. And I've seen a lot of celebrities post on Instagram that they've been using this and it's worked, so I thought why not try it out myself. So it says that you should see visible results from day 1 and it should go up to 8 shades whiter within 7 days. So I'm going to be showing my progress between the 7 days and taking photos to show each day, and then I will be reviewing it at the end of the 7 days to see if it got lighter or if it did nothing. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the White Glo Accelerator. I'm going to be opening it up and trying it out. So I just brushed my teeth and now I opened up the whitening packet that came with this thing. I say no, it's like a 7 or 8. Comes with some instructions. Okay, open the battery cover on the blue light unit and pull off the plastic. First thing we need to do is unscrew this. Let's hope I didn't break that. Jesus. And you rotate it to open and pull this out. Pop it back on, lock it, and put it back in. Now I'm going to give it a bit of a rinse considering I just dropped it. Now what I'm going to have to do is insert the gel into the top and into the bottom and then put it in my mouth and press the button, turn blue, and then it will turn off after 10 minutes by itself. This is my before, very yellow. Now I'm going to rinse my mouth with warm water and then take this from the unit and rinse it out. So we'll do that now. So this is what it looks like after slightly lighter, but basically nothing really changed. So the visual results from day 1, a bit debatable. And my jaw hurt from that. So I personally don't think it really changed much for my teeth. Still really yellow. Although when I'm looking in the mirror, not through the camera, I feel like it's slightly changed, but not as much as it said it should. Like, I reckon maybe half a shade, if that's even a thing. So honestly, 7 days, it's saying it should do a lot. I don't think it's done much. Still really yellowy, so I mean, if you guys want to try it, you can, but I don't know, I don't think it's really worth it, so I might try another product to see if that's the go. But yeah, I don't know, I probably rated a 5 out of 10, as I've only done it 7 days, so I'm not gonna completely disregard it because it could possibly work, but as the packaging said, it should work in after the first day you should see results, which I didn't really, and it said that 7 days you should definitely see results, and I honestly don't think I really did see results, so I'll keep trying it, but the package says what it says, it's not right, so that's just my opinion, and yeah. Oh my god, that nearly went down the drain.